It stayed right on 52 that time. Oh, check that out. Look at that, look at that, look at that.
Oh, thanks so much for stopping back by the channel and checking out another episode of Hi-Ho Silver. This one has 1920s permissions and even a bucket lister. Let's go check it out.
So hey guys, how's that for a nice permission? 1929 Tudor. Let's see what we can find. Okay guys, had a very funky signal here just as soon as I pulled it out. So we've got a pocket knife here. Looks like it's in really good shape and kind of an old style. But that's pretty cool. Can't give you an exact year on it, but we'll clean it up, see if we can't make it look nice. Okay guys, got a shallow high signal here. Probably not a coin, but might be something worth looking at. What have we here? I'm not sure if that's something. I'm not sure what I've got here. Looks like it could be an old coin. It's all boogered up, but let me try to clean that off. Okay guys, this is definitely something that was machined, and I believe it's just gotten bent up over time. Can't tell that it might have been a coin. Yeah, I just don't know. It might be just a piece of trash, but we're going to clean it up proper and see if it's worth identifying. Okay guys, had another really deep scratchy signal, and was kind of convinced it was going to be junk, but it's not. It's a little heart pendant, and judging by the color, it's probably nothing precious, but it was quite deep. This could be quite old, and I don't know if it says anything on it. Yeah, with the naked eye I just can't see that it says anything, but we'll get it cleaned up proper, and hopefully it'll make some sense. It's almost made well enough it could be like a very small dog tag. So anyway, never know what you're gonna find. Okay guys, putting along here and got a deep signal. This looks like our old friend, the toy car. Doesn't look real old, but it's heavy. It's metal, and anyway, we'll be able to identify it, and hopefully it'll clean up in a way where we can get a good picture of it. Okay guys, this is a a hole that had several penny signals, and I was getting this one out, and it looked to me like a clad dime, and now I'm not so sure that it might not be silver. I think it's a Canadian dime, or a Canadian coin, and it looks to me like the date says 1965 on it. So I know in the US it was 1964, but this one's got a little bit of an odd coloration to it. But anyway, if it's silver, that would be really special. It's still fun to find the foreign coins anyway. We'll clean it up, do our research, and see what it says. Okay guys, had a screaming very shallow signal here, and this is what came out of the hole. Thought it might be a woman's top of a woman's compact, but now I'm having my doubts. So we're going to clean it up properly when I get home, and if it has any cool markings on it, or I can identify it, then we'll show you a good picture of it. Okay guys, had a very shallow hit here. I thought it was for sure a penny, but it is not. That is our old friend the key. And by the looks of it, it hasn't been in the ground all that long, but love to find the keys. Okay guys, I had a dead on penny signal, 4142. And this is what has unearthed, but I'll guarantee you that's not a penny. Let's hope it is a something cool, maybe a trade token or something like that. Let's take a look. Oh, look at that. Red Goose shoes. How about that? That is so cool. Red Goose shoes. Oh, there we go. Red Goose shoes. Premium. Oh, premium money. Red Goose shoes, premium money. Huh, very cool. So got pretty iffy signal here, but at some points it's bringing up quite high. So it's likely trash, but it's worth investigating. Well, it stayed right on 52 that time. That could be a good sign. Oh, check that out. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That is a silver quarter. Right on the sidewalk here. 1957. Oh, welcome back, sweetheart. Way cool. 1957, that was my first car. 57 Chevy. Wow. Thank you, sweetheart. Hi-ho silver. Okay guys, had a really iffy 38 signal and kind of thought it was going to be a junky penny, but it's smaller than that, and it actually is a little happy face. So cool little pendant. Okay guys, had a deep 42, 43 signal. It was a little bit fuzzy, so I didn't think it was a coin. You can see it was all the way there, so it's probably about 8 inches deep, and it came right out of the bottom of the plug. But I think this might be, oh man, it might be a bucket lister for me. I have never gotten a crotal bell before, so let's keep our fingers crossed here. I don't want to psych myself out, but I think that's a crotal bell. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh man, I love that. I think that's exactly what that is. Oh, sweetheart, welcome back. Oh my goodness. This is a 1920 permission, and since I've never dug one, I've only just seen them, you know. Boy, that sure looks like what that is. Yay for the home team. Oh, I can't wait to, I'm so excited to clean that thing up. Look at that beautiful patina on there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Boy, I sure love this treasure hunting. Welcome back, sweetheart. Hi-ho silver. So how about that, guys? 5 years, 25,000 holes, and sleigh bell finally comes out of the ground. This kind of find is very rare for this area and truly represents a time when Kansas City was just being founded as a city. So it's a very special relic, and I'll cherish it for a long, long time. Let's see if this guy can sing. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? Thanks so much for hanging in there and making it to the end of another episode of Hi-Ho Silver. We really appreciate you, and thanks for coming along. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit those notifications, and let's see if Brooks knows what to do. Say, Brooks, what do we do?
Like and subscribe and hit the notification button.
Awesome. But who would win between a tiger and a jayhawk?
A jayhawk, of course, because you have to get to the final four to win.